first part is to do some deep breathing exercises, taking in some really nice, deep, slow breaths. Just doing that is going to relax you and calm you. Taking in these deep breaths. Secondly, focus on your message and not on yourself. Think about what it is that you want to share with your audience. That way, you can allow that message to work through you and not put all of that focus on yourself and on the nerves you might be experiencing. Let that message work through you. And finally, practice. Take whatever it is you want to speak on and start to practice. You can just, again, pull out your camera, record yourself talking on one part of the speech so that you'll start to feel comfortable speaking extemporaneously. These are all good steps to get yourself more comfortable, relaxed, and ready for that next big presentation.